So I will guide us on how to draw um, the regular Oxford shoe, the regular Oxford shoe, closed lace Oxford shoe. Now, my standard instep height for Oxford shoes is 1 cm. It's 1 cm. Okay, so now Oxford shoes have different type. There are Oxford shoes with the toe cap and the ones with the wingtip, but all those are just designs of shoes. I will not be drawing any of those. I'll leave the toe plain because the main standard design of an Oxford shoe lies around this part of the shoe. So now, to draw the quarter of an Oxford shoe, Oxford shoes has quarter and the vamp part, and sometimes the toe cap. But since I already said I will not be drawing mine with the toe cap, so we'll be drawing ours with just the vamp part and the quarter. Now, to draw the vamp part, like I said, this line is a guide. Now, whatever you're doing, whatever shoe design you're drawing, shouldn't be drawn above this line. Why? Because it is being believed that the ankle is around this part of the human leg. The ankle is around this part. So anything drawn above this line would be risky to the ankle of the person wearing the shoe. So it's advised to either draw below it or on the line. I prefer drawing on the line because I don't like my shoes having top line closer to the sole, so I prefer drawing on the line. Now, to draw on the line, you use from the back down to around this part, having in consideration this is the ankle. You draw around this part. Now here you see you create a 90-degree to the center line. Now, to create a 90-degree, I align this straight line on the measuring tape to this straight line on the glass. Alright, so here we have 90-degree. So that line also is a guide for us to draw our quarter. So we have a curve around here. So now Alright, so here now our quarter stop at this one point. So you see here, that's 8 cm. Our quarter stop at this one point. So depending on how you want your shoe quarter to look like, you can choose to make your shoe design to be curvy, to be square shape, or any shape. But I'm just going to show you the accurate way to do it. So you also create a 90-degree at this point from the one point. Alright, so here you see. Good. So once you've done that, next thing to do is to draw the curve how you want your curve to be. Now I can just extend this line. So you can choose to have a curve this way. And also on the line or below the line, but not above the line. All these are standard for pattern drafting, for shoe comfort. So now I can extend this line here as well, so I can know. So it will help me as a guide to end my quarter to the heel. Alright, so I do this and I can choose to bring my curve from here. Alright, so here the ramp of the shoe. Here's the ramp of the shoe, and here is the quarter of the shoe. You can choose to add your toe cap if you want, and also you can choose to add your counter if you want. The counter are additional designed in shoes. Just like the toe cap. So if you want to add the toe cap, or you want to add wingtip, toe cap can be around 8 to 9 cm for a size 42. Have the line on the measuring tape, align with the line on the last. All right, so here we have our Oxford shoe pattern. Okay. All right.